please remember to like and subscribe, and do ring that bell.
Red 5-speed in the UK.
Oh wow, this is really quite historically important then, isn't it?
With 35,000 miles on it.
All right, okay. This is a keeper.
Well,
One of the first 5-speed reds in the UK, predated the press car. 35,000, you say?
yeah. Obviously all original. I mean, I've
Yeah.
obviously known it from you, obviously, because I came home with it on
Yeah.
trade plates.
Wow. And it was your dad, so now you're looking after it. Had it recommissioned, but not
Yeah, I got
restored.
it all. Never
Right.
been into a garage in his life.
That's amazing. That is so cool. I remember when these things started turning up on the roads at the time. My brother and I were blasting around in a TR6,
Yeah.
and suddenly these GTI hot hatches started getting quicker and quicker and quicker. The days of the British sports car
Yeah. When you
was
consider
numbered,
how,
and so practical as well, wasn't it? You know.
yeah, I mean, as a kid, me and my brother, mum and dad, toured Scotland in it.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, I got pictures of us on the Isle of Man ferry, you know, the open deck with the
Yeah.
GTI on there.
Yeah. Oh, what a lovely story.
Yeah, so I'm trying to keep on top of it.
Yeah, well, you're doing a great job
But
of it. It looks like it.
there's a few, you know, but at the moment it's never had any
Original.
bodywork.
And look at the interior. It's so funky, wasn't it? That golf ball like.
Yeah, and the original tartan seats.
Yeah.
Again, I haven't had to do anything other than just vacuum the seats. All the foam's still intact.
A friend of mine had the 16 valve.
Yeah,
they.
that's what Dad. That's just why this went in the garage, because
Right.
Dad got offered a 16 valve
Yeah.
Mark II.
But they've always been chasing how these drove, because they really were peppy and sort of great handling little cars, weren't they?
They are absolute. This is a
Right crack to drive, I bet.
right hoot on the nice little A and B roads.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
going up round Cirencester, around the Cotswolds.
Yeah, lovely.
That's where it's. By modern days, it's not a performance car.
Yeah,
But when you consider back in the 80s,
Yeah.
it was a Gates.
yeah. Oh no, these things changed the world, really, didn't they? They changed the motoring world, that's for sure. Well, it's lovely to see it.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I put it on my YouTube later? Is that all right?
Of course you can.
Well,
yeah,
thanks,
mate.
fella.
Yeah.
Top fella. You'll see it later, hopefully.
Yeah.
1980.
The very first.
Oh, just little things like that. Lovely.
Yes. Although we got it through Volkswagen, we had to get it through a dealer called Jarvis and Sons in Stoke-on-Trent.
Right.
Because it was allocated to them. So it's got
Yeah.
the original Jarvis and Sons where they. But Dad didn't want a Stoke-on-Trent plate on it.
Right.
So we had
Okay.
to bring it back on trade plates.
Right.
And he was a bit
Determined
anal
to
on
have a
it all.
local plate, like yeah.
Yeah, it had to be a Bristol plate, which
Yeah.
is AHW. But he didn't want to go and register it because it was a 1980 year model
Right.
until 1st of 1st 1980.
Oh,
So
okay.
it sat in the garage from
Oh, an
end of
interesting
October
story.
79 to 1st of 1st 1980 when he actually it was registered.
Oh, fantastic. It's a real stunner, isn't it? And to think it's just a survivor as well, isn't it?
First
Does-
MOT, I've done an MOT June last year.
Right.
First MOT obviously since 87. And it was more just for me peace of mind and
Yes,
just more
yeah.
interesting to see.
Yeah.
And I took it in to go and have a pre-MOT check. And then they turned round and said if I got an extra half hour because they were going to put it through MOT.
Right.
And it went through first MOT since 1987 with no advisories. So
Oh, those Germans know how to build things, don't they?
42-year-old car, and all the previous MOTs never had any advisories either.
Oh,
So a
crikey.
42-year-old car, and it's
Oh,
never had
no, our
a
stuff was
advisory.
rotting away, wasn't it? No wonder we got a kick in.
Well, yeah, when you consider what BL was knocking out.
Yeah. It's no wonder
Not
we got a
knocking-
shoe in.
Their stuff, but
Yeah. They just changed the world, didn't they, with this sort of
Yeah.
stuff? Well, what a pleasure. Well, thanks so much for that.
Thank you. Thanks
I'll
for
get
taking
it.
the trip.
Yeah, too right. Yeah, it's brilliant. I know it's not American, but
car as well.
yeah, great. Well, I'll get it. Yeah, it's Max Machines. It'll be on there later, hopefully. Accessories a period of the time with the
Yeah.
white.
The only
Flaps.
thing which isn't, I mean, I've changed
And the
to modern,
spoiler.
more modern radio.
Yeah.
Zender used to do they only come with 2 gauges, and
Right.
Zender done a second plate to put the extra 2 gauges in.
Oh, okay. Right.
But I wanted, because I started using it, I wanted to have oil pressure in there.
Oh, okay,
So
yeah.
somebody was doing 3D printing the original Zender plate.
Right.
So I
got one
managed to
made
get
up.
that and put the extra 2 gauges in,
Okay.
matching to the all
Yeah.
video gauges. Just for me, a
Lovely.
bit of peace of mind that I can keep an eye on the oil pressure when
Sweet. Yeah, well, that's right. You want to look after this.
Yeah.
It'll look after you, that's for sure.
Yeah.
If
And
you ever come to sell it.